Howdy friends, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline. You should totally subscribe, join the man fam. We have a good time over here. Today's video is going to be a relaxing spa weekend in my life. Today is Friday. Good Friday to be exact. I hope you guys are all spending it with your families. Since it is like Easter season, I'm going to the JW Marriott in, I believe, San Antonio, I want to say. So yeah, it's gonna be a really fun weekend. I have not seen Caitlin, who's in college, in so long, and I miss her a lot. So it's gonna be really good to see her. We're going to get massages tomorrow, and yeah, just relax. I have a video exporting right now. So this is the bag that I'm gonna be taking to the hotel. It's just my Glossier duffel bag. This polka dot bag right here is filled with things that I went through my bathroom and had too many of or wanted to give to you guys. So let me show y'all briefly what's in here and let me know if I should do a giveaway of these things because I feel like it's summer related and could be very useful. Okay, a bunch of Sunbum products. Most of it is literally only Sunbum. Maddie already went through this bag first, so it used to be filled up. Now it's like not really anymore, but I mean, like what should I do with these? You know what? Maybe I should just do a giveaway for this video. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Making this up really quick. All you have to do is be subscribed, follow my Instagram, and when you're done, comment your username in the comment section so I can check if you're actually subscribed and if you're following me. And yeah, that's all you have to do, literally. I'm gonna take this out so you guys can see exactly what you'll be getting. So these are all the products I have now. I'm probably gonna go through my bathroom again and get more and do another giveaway in a different video, but this one will be specifically for this video. So as you can tell, bunch of Sunbum, Heritage, love this dry conditioner. It is so amazing. Truly Beauty, Super Matcha Facial Cleanser, Mario Badescu Rose Body Soap. I completely forget all the time that I have Tory Burch shoes. I just since they're not on my shoe rack that I choose from every day, I always forget about them. But this is gonna be perfect so I can just walk around the resort with them. But yeah, just the plain black ones, they're super cute. JW Marriott serving looks beautiful outside. Miss Rhonda's chilling on the bed. We got Caitlin. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna go to the gym, try to work out.
I'm just gonna sit outside and wait for her because I didn't bring tennis shoes. Moral support.
Post-workout, very sweaty, but I feel very good right now. It's really cold outside, you guys. And I just showered, but we're trying to get photos for the little girls. Yeah, Caitlin's our photographer for the day. And we went to the pool, but I left my camera in the hotel, so I did not get any footage, but tomorrow when we go to the spa and that, I'll bring it.
Waterproof by Dad.
So we're ordering pizza right now, Papa John's. It's coming soon, 6 minutes away.
6 minutes.
And Miss Rhonda got cookies and stuff for us as well. We're doing an unboxing today.
Here's your box.
Shopkins unboxing. Display. Okay, we've got chocolate chip cookies.
Oh my god. Before they make it leave this area. Should I touch one?
Yeah. Yo, that looks... Look at the chocolate on the bed. Is it warm? Yeah. Look at that. Also, the pizza's here, by the way.
Shout out Rhonda.
Shout out Rhonda. Okay, you guys, we just had 3 slices of pizza each.
And 2 cookies.
And 2 chocolate chip cookies, and I actually feel like death right now.
My stomach.
Yeah, we both gotta go into the room and fix ourselves. I don't think I showed y'all our hotel room, but this is what it looks like. Caitlin and I are sleeping here. Miss Rhonda is sleeping on this, and Cass and Charlotte are sleeping on that. Then we have our little snack area thing. The bathroom's pretty big. I can't go in there though because Caitlin's in there. I want to show you guys the swimsuit that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So today I wore this swimsuit from PacSun. It was like a super cute, like ribbed one. The one I'm wearing tomorrow is from Black Bow Swim. They have like super good swimsuits, really good quality. Oh, also, I have to show y'all my toothbrush after. So this is what it looks like. The bottoms look like this. Really cute pink and white pattern. And then the top just looks like this. So you put this around your neck and then tie it. So I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Dude, have you seen my toothbrush? Where? Look at this MF. Disney sent it to me and I use it.
Disney sent it to you?
Disney sent it to me for their new movie.
Is it their new movie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Morning from a hotel room by myself. Caitlin and Miss Rhonda are at the spa right now. I was sleep talking last night apparently and woke up late. So I have to get ready and go down to the spa right now. Cassidy and Charlotte are running around the hotel, probably getting Starbucks, I'm guessing. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what all there is I need to do, because you like wear a robe there, and then I think we're going to the pool after, so I'm just gonna pack my swimsuit. My hair looks so bad right now. But yeah, I just need to brush my teeth with my favorite toothbrush, obviously. Literally, Caitlin was like, you were sleep talking last night. And I feel like I don't do that, because I've never caught myself do that. I usually like Maddie sleep talks, my best friend, all the time. And so I listen to it, but I never thought that like I did that, so. So this is the swimsuit that I'm wearing today. Yeah, it's super cute. It has these like floral things on it. And I should get ready for the spa, but I don't even know what to do. So I think I'm just going to put on shorts, a zip up, and then we can roll out of here. Okay, where's the light switches? This is one of the softest zip ups that I own. It's from Long Beach, California, and it's so freaking cute and soft. Zip it up there. The rest off the shoulder. I brought some Nike shorts. I'll probably just wear that as well. Let's go down to the spa, and I'll show you guys around and all that. Guys, look who I found. It's a stranger. Okay, so I just finished my massage. It was so good. I think we're gonna check out soon. Happy Easter, everyone. A package just came at my door. I think it's for me. Stay. It is. Oh, let's open it. Okay. So yeah, today's Easter. Happy Easter to all of you guys. I hope y'all are spending it with your families and having a good old Sunday. Oh, I started off my morning by going to 8 a.m. mass at our Catholic church, and they did like the Easter service. Can y'all stop moving? We did that, and I took a practice ACT test while my parents went to this like brunch thing. So I had like 3 hours to myself to take a practice test because I have to, college is coming up, which is crazy. I should not be holding these. College is coming up and I'm a little stressed and I really needed to take that because yikes. Okay, so today's package is from Laura Mercier. Love Laura Mercier. They always send the nicest letters, and if you guys know me, I am a huge sucker for flowers, letters, anything like that, and they always send me a letter with every package. Okay, why can't I get this open? There's a letter. My favorite thing about it is they always handwrite it, so it's not like a typed pre-written letter. and the handwriting is always so nice. Let's see what's in here. Look at it. It's so nice, the packaging. Ooh. Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, SPF 30 sunscreen. This looks like my skin tone, so I hope that this is the right shade. More translucent powder. Can never have enough. I am obsessed with their translucent powder. I never use these though. I don't know. I feel like this is a little too like outdated for me. Even though this is like super fancy and all that. I literally just use a makeup brush to apply my setting powder. Pure Canvas Primer. 2 eyeliners. My mom is definitely gonna like that. Okay. Thank you so much, Laura Mercier. You're probably not even watching this, but I love y'all so much. I have not been doing outros on any of my videos, so I'm going to actually do one today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little spa weekend in my life. I did not film at all by the pool, which is honestly so sad because the pool and the lazy river and the resort and the slides were like beautiful. I just didn't film because, you know, I was there to relax, enjoy myself, tan, you know. But you can always look up images on Google if you want. Just look up JW Marriott Hill Country San Antonio Resort and you can see what that whole thing looks like. But yeah, it was so fun. Thank you, Miss Rhonda, if you're watching this, for taking me. She literally just spontaneously wanted to do this and I love her so much and her big heart. But yeah, happy Easter. I'm uploading this the same day it's Easter. This is kind of crazy, y'all. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. And I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao.
Money is the motivation. Get a job, go to work, get promoted, facelift. Made a hit, made some fans, and I'm fornicating. Had a dream, Dr. King, and I went and chased it. Yeah, I'm on a date, I think she let me taste it. I was better with your antics in the fucking